Perform the indicated operation. Assume that variables represent non-zero numbers. We have the polynomial negative 9x squared y cubed plus 6x to the fourth y cubed plus 12x y cubed divided by 3xy. Let's go ahead and as a first step write this in a quotient form, in a fractional form, as negative 9x squared y cubed plus 6x to the fourth y cubed plus 12x y cubed, all divided by 3xy. This helps us see that each term is going to be written over 3xy. We've got this term out in front that's in the numerator, negative 9x squared y to the third. It's going to be divided by 3xy, plus our second term in the numerator, 6x to the fourth y to the third, also divided by 3xy, plus our last term in the numerator, 12xy to the third, over or divided by 3xy. So let's perform the division for each of these terms. Negative 9 divided by 3 gives a negative 3. X squared divided by x, if we cancel out one factor of x, leaves x. And y to the third over y to the first is y squared. Plus, for our middle term, 6 divided by 3 is 2. X to the fourth divided by x is x to the third. And y to the third divided by y is y squared. Plus, our last term, 12 divided by 3 is 4. X divided by x cancels, so our x disappears. And y to the third divided by y is y squared. So after performing the indicated operation, our simplified form is negative 3xy squared plus 2x cubed y squared plus 4y squared.